art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the alien from Toy Story. First, let's get started with our center eye, and we're going to start by drawing in a circle. And then we're going to come down on a diagonal, coming across on the right and replicating that. And now we're going to move up on the left as well, curving this line around and then back in, closing that off. Now as you move in towards the middle of both eyes, we're going to draw in a circle right in the center. And now moving up above each eye, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. Now let's draw in the mouth. So coming down, we're going to draw in a curved line underneath both our left and right eye. In the center, we're going to arch this line up. And then we're going to do the same on the bottom, arching it down. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around and out towards the center. And now let's close off the head. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval shape. So starting in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the center. And then starting back on the top now, again, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the bottom. Let's draw the antenna in the center now. So we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch up towards the top on both sides. And then now from here, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's close off our ears. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then we're going to move up and do the same on the left. Coming underneath now, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then again, one more time as we move over. Now let's draw on our neck. So on the left side, we're going to bring this line around and then up on the right. Closing off the side of the body, we're going to curve this line down. In the center, we're going to arch this line through. And then coming down on the right, we're going to curve this line in again. Let's close off the legs now. So from the center, leaving a gap as we come up, we're going to curve this line out. We'll replicate that on the left. For the feet now, from the center on the bottom line, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Now for the belt buckle, we're going to draw in a rectangle in the center. On the top, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Now from here for the planet in the corner, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to arch this line around and then down on the top. Above that, we're going to curve this through, back in on the right. And then again on the bottom, just curving this line across and then back up on the side. Now let's draw on our right arm. So on the top, we're going to arch this line down. We're going to move in, replicating that. Let's close this off now with a curved line from left to right. For the thumb, we're going to bring this line across and then in. Coming over, we're going to arch this line through. Then underneath, we're going to curve this line back in. For the first finger, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And then again, coming out, let's replicate that again. Now let's move up across and draw in the left arm. So coming over, we're going to arch this line out, dropping below, let's replicate that. Now from here, we're going to curve this line over. For the thumb, arching this line around, down, leaving a small gap, curving that through. We're going to come across, drawing in another curved line. Now from here for the first finger, arching this down in the center. And then from the middle, again, just curving this line out, back in. And then closing off the palm, just curving this line down towards the corner. And that is it. That's how you draw the alien from Toy Story. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.